Hey folks, look at this, what we found over there. Yes, you're right. That seems like an old Opel Manta. Oh wow, great. Whoever parked this car here and forgot it? Great, great. Look at this pretty car. Wow, there's another one. Ooh. Ooh, look at this. It's totally rusted. You can see. Oh. Yeah, that's in a very bad condition. But this one looks quite new. Oh, a perfect condition. A perfect good condition for restoring this pretty car. What do you think? Yes. Let's do it. Let's save this car.
A few moments later.
What do you think? Was it worth it to save this old Opel Manta? Yes, I think we did a great job. It looks like brand new. Yeah, I know. It was a lot of work. But we are such cool guys. We can do everything. Yes, we can do everything. So if you want to see more of our great adventures with cars, dann müsst ihr nur den Abonnieren-Knopf drücken. So, I hope you enjoyed this video. And yeah, I don't think there's much more to say.